Go.
Okay. This is Lolo, the biggest crocodile in the Philippines. Hello to my palangga, Oren, my favorite niece, and also Berlin. Itour ko kayo here sa museum of the biggest crocodile. It's Lolo. Pakifocus mo. Okay. Ayan yung tail niya. Or look at Lolo. Ayan. Hanggang maikot mo. That is Lolo. In front. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you.